Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to know 20 best businesses for teenagers with no money. Let's start. 1. Freelance writing. 2. Tutoring. 3. Babysitting. 4. Virtual assistants. 5. Graphic design. 6. Social media management. 7. Pet sitting. 8. Photography. 9. Music lessons. 10. Translation services. 11. Event planning. 12. House cleaning. 13. Personal shopping. 14. Landscaping. 15. Car detailing. 16. Online surveys. 17. Delivery services. 18. Personal training. 19. Web design. 20. Sell handmade items. I hope you find your best way from this video. If not, then watch other videos on this channel to master marketing and business. And if you have more ideas, then comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.